In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request time off in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and a few helpful tips to make sure your request is clear and approved quickly. First, open your preferred browser on your laptop and log into your QuickBooks Time account. Make sure you're using the correct company profile if you have access to more than one, and sign in through your organization's normal method. If you're new to the web version, don't worry. Everything we need is easy to find. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Time Off. This is your hub for viewing balances, past requests, and creating new ones. Depending on your company's settings, you may also see your current available hours right on this page, which is useful to confirm that your request fits your balance and policy. Next, head to the top right and click Add Time Off. This opens the request form where you'll enter the details. If you don't see this button, your permissions may be limited, or your company might have disabled self-service requests. In that case, follow your internal process or contact your administrator. Now choose the type of time off from the drop-down. Common options include vacation or sick, but the exact list is set by your employer. Pick the type that best matches your reason. This ensures the time is deducted from the correct balance and routed for the right type of approval. Enter your start date and end date. If you're taking a single day, set both to the same date. For multiple days, choose the first day you'll be out and the last day you'll return after. Keep in mind that weekends and company holidays may be handled differently depending on your organization's settings. Some accounts also support partial days or custom hours. If you see those options, use them to be precise. There's an optional reason field. It's a good place to provide brief context, like family appointment or travel, if your company encourages that. Keep it clear and professional, and avoid sharing sensitive personal details. When everything looks good, click Submit to send your request for approval. Your manager or approver will be notified, and you can usually track the status, such as pending, approved, or declined, back on the time off page. You may also receive an email or in-app notification when a decision is made. That's it. Simple and reliable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.